Good morning from Gamble Rogers Campground in Flagler, Florida. Pistol has a vet appointment over this way, so we are in town for that, and we scored an awesome beachside campsite, which is surprising because it's bike week. This is so funny because this is the third time this has happened. Pistol's yearly appointment always falls at the same time of year, of course, and we've been coming here for, well, 3 years now, and every time it's over bike week and we never remember. So I'm gonna mark it on the calendar to maybe schedule around that next year. Anyway, Dave's been down fishing. We caught that awesome sunrise out our sunroof this morning. I don't even have to get out of bed anymore to get a sunrise time lapse, so that's pretty fantastic. I got some nice hot coffee and headed down to see if Dave's caught any lunch yet. What's the fishing report this morning?
Lost one.
You did?
That's not a... Yay!
No, I mean, that means they're biting, right? That's a good thing.
No, it's been real slow. I haven't seen anything, so...
Well, it's a beautiful day, right?
Yeah, this sunset was...
Sunrise.
Yeah, I forget. The sun rises on this side of the world. We've seen a lot of sunsets in a lot of places. I don't know if you saw it from up there.
No, I got the sunrise outer skylight.
Oh my gosh, that was
beautiful.
Stunning. And just like a big red ball just hung there for...
Yeah.
I go on about the sunrise.
It's pretty magical.
It's a pretty nice place to sit and watch a fishing bowl and drink coffee.
Yep.
I don't care if I catch a fish. Well, I care a little bit, but...
We just got notice, Camp Post stopped by and they said they're gonna release some rescued turtles, like baby turtles, down on the beach down here, so we're gonna go see if we can check this out. I'm excited. Here come the turtles. Oh, they're big. I thought they'd be smaller. not gonna pass up that opportunity.
You're up to your neck in water.
I was 3 times. Okay, first of all, I thought they'd be a lot smaller. Like I've seen like baby release, and it's always the little turtles. These were giant.
Yeah, this isn't like the hatchling. This is like turtles that were rescued.
Rehab.
Or whatever. It's the Clearwater Marine Aquarium, so the t-shirts. So.
Okay. And so the first batch, I didn't expect a second batch, and then there was a third batch with 2 more. So very exciting.
It sounds pretty cool. Hey, there's gonna be a turtle rescue release in 10 minutes. Oh, that sounds fun. Then you get there and it's like, wow, it's kind of cool.
Very cool. I'm so glad they stopped by our campsite and let us know what's happening.
What's for lunch?
That was exhilarating. I don't know, but you know what's happening tomorrow, let me tell you. Martin and Nellie are coming.
You guys remember Martin and Nellie?
Martin and Nellie are friends from Nova Scotia, the Dutch couple. They RV in their, well, Dutch Can RV, that's their YouTube channel. They're in a road truck and they are gonna be here tonight. Camping as well, but tomorrow morning, I'm gonna ask them, pretty sure they'll do it, but we're gonna have them judge our scone bake-off. It'll be a blind taste test between our Coleman camp oven and our convection oven inside our truck camper.
Yeah. I'm gonna bake them outside the camp oven.
Yeah.
Propane cooktop.
Yeah.
You'll use the fancy convection oven, and we'll see who's they like best.
It'll be a blind taste test, unbiased. So stay tuned for that.
I'm gonna win.
You might. You just might.
Thanks for watching.
Join us on Patreon for extra content and all our videos early release and ad-free.
Check out the children's book that Irene wrote. You can get it on Amazon, or if you want an autographed copy, go to our website, carryonvagabond.com.
All proceeds go directly to the Green Bean Fund. Thanks again, and
carry on.
Carry on.